In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert USDG directly to fiat or cash, or basically how to withdraw it to your bank account. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have your Kraken account. If you don't have one yet, I will leave a link in the description below with a special offer that will get you 20 euros on Bitcoin completely for free. So after you have your Kraken account, you will obviously need to have some USDG on your account already. And then to convert them to cash, just click on convert, or you can also click on transfer and then withdraw right here. And then just convert USDG and search for the one you want to get. So in my case, it should be euros, but depending on your country, you might be using USD or you might be using pounds. So just search for the currency you are using. For this case, let's say I want to switch to euros, so just put in the amount of USDG you want to convert to euros and just do the change. After that, you should have euros on your wallet, so to withdraw them to your bank account, click withdraw right here, then select cash and select your currency, and now you can select different type of payment methods depending on your currency. So for example, this one will offer almost an instant bank transfer with a very small fee. So I could just click right here and fill in my personal information. So that's it. That's how you can withdraw USDG directly to your bank account. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.